Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got the Remington full size. This is a KMC, but this also comes like Model 17. They call it full size uprights. Pretty common Remington model. Remington Rand, this big old monster typewriter. But this does have a different way of setting the margins than most typewriters. So, carriage release is your friend. That's up here on the side, up here on the top. Same thing with this side. And this one, when you carriage release, all it does is go between these 2 points. If I hit margin release here, it will go over there. It comes back and just goes there. If I want to go that way, it does go past. Come back, it only goes there. So what do? You adjust the margin. So this is your left margin set right here, KMC on the left side. Corresponding button on the right side, KMC right there. And this is what you do. So you push this with the carriage release up against your margin, right there, left margin, and you want to press this down. While you're holding the button down, press this down, and then move the carriage where you want it. If you want it all the way off the edge here, let go of the button. It now goes all the way to the edge. Same thing with this side, but up against it, but now use the right side. Push down, hold it down, move the carriage where you want it. Let's go all the way to the edge, let the button go. Now the carriage goes all the way from that side to that side. Now if we want to move this margin against the edge here, again, just press this down, kind of grab the margin and move it back to the edge where you want it, right there. Now it's going to come there and ring the bell right there. Same thing with this side. Left side, grab the margin, move the carriage where you want it, release the button where you want it, and now the margin's right there. So now we got typing where we want it, and we got a bell over here toward the end. Now, that's how you do it. I'm going to show how it works on here. Let me move some stuff out of the way. This guy's a wide carriage. So I'm going to take this panel off right here. This panel comes off pretty easy. There we go. Take this off, and we're going to look at the margins. So the margins are these guys right here, and that is where they're at, right there and right there. So here's the deal. See this guy in the back? And see this, when I press KMC, it moves. So you move it to the margin, you press the button, and see that move a little bit, and then you can move it and release it where you want it. Same thing with this side, right side. Push down, you'll see it release. You can move it wherever you want it. Let the button up, it stays there. So let's go back over here, grab this one, move it here to where we want it. Let it go, it's right there. That side, same thing, grab it, push the button down, move it where you want it, let the button up. And that's how those margins work. You can't see them when they're behind the covers, but that is how they work. And that is my margin demonstration on a Remington KMC full-size upright standard typewriter. Good day.